right, so people have questions about these copper gasket guys all the time because they haven't really used them ever before, and I totally get that. So this is my, what do you call this, crossover pipe, I guess you'd say, that belongs on my Phoenix. You guys know the Phoenix, the never-ending project car. So this guy's got about 6,000 miles on it now, and it is in for, well, I rolled the sprag in the transmission because I drive like an idiot. But it is in for, it's in for upgrades, so we're gonna throw in a 4-wheel. Anyway, the point being these stupid gaskets. So let me show you how this works. So this is the other side of that up pipe, and you'll see, you see how there's no carbon leaking anywhere? It's just nice and clean. This is after, I think, 5,000 or 6,000 miles. And if you look at the actual gasket that came out of there, what you're gonna see is on the ceiling side, it's all nice and clean. Both sides where it sits in the flange. And then over here, it does the same. So it just sits in this groove and makes a nice sill. So if there was any leakage, what you'd see is a little bit of black soot kind of coming out around that, but that means you got a nice sill. And yeah, I use this, it's like Pete's red sauce or whatever that is. I use it on everything. So we have it on these guys too. Yeah, up here. Sorry, I'm short. It's probably taller than me, but here's the gasket for that guy. Right. Yeah. And same thing. You can see where it's sealing up all around. And if it doesn't, you'll see the kind of like soot kind of leaking out of it. It won't be like nice and shiny. You'll have a little soot spot, so you'll know like, hey, I got a work flange or whatever. It's not sealing up correctly. So anyway, these gaskets just go in between the guys. They crush and make a nice seal.